everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen. So today we're gonna present you guys another microscope. This microscope is like a medium because we have basic, medium, and also advanced. This one I define it as medium type for you guys. As you can see, we have like monitor. This is monitor. This is a camera. This is camera, and this is the lens microscope, and this is the ring light. This is the regulator. Actually, you can buy. Depends on you. You can buy microscope only, or you can buy microscope with camera and with monitor. So this is like depends on what you need. This I prefer this like whole set, but depends on you. Maybe some of you you're on your budget, so you can only buy microscope first. So later on you can buy camera and a monitor. So it depends on you. Now we have our professional technician. He's gonna teach you guys or show you guys how to install this microscope. So hope you guys like this video, and here we go. So this is the base, actually the rack. We're gonna fix. You can get closer here. First you're gonna fix. Here's the screw. You're gonna fix the rack and the base. So secondly, you're gonna put the lens. Yeah, here. You put it here. Then you just fix it. Fasten it. Later on, you put this ring light. Okay. Yeah, connect with the power. Yeah, that's it. So we have turn on. Yeah, we're gonna put more on the other side. So you guys check it here. This is like zoom in, zoom out. This is like up and down. And if you want to make it clear, you can. This is like adjust for camera as well. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.